Ooh, I like this. Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and welcome to What's New Wednesday. I'm here to do my first unboxing of a package I received from Your Creative Studio. Let's just go ahead and dive right in and see what we have. So they reached out to me to see if I would be interested in receiving one of their kits. Even though this says May, this box is from March. Let's go ahead and open the tape. Okay, so again, this is March, not May. Here we go. Your Creative Studio. Then this is the thank you card. It's got a vintage vibe going on. This is the tissue paper, very nice. That can be used. Okay, so before I get into this, I do have another channel called Journal Life's Journey where I do junk journals, ephemera, embellishments for handmade and junk journals, more with a vintage style, but I am moving towards more modern, contemporary looks. But I'm thinking that everything in here is going to be of that vintage style. So this is a stamp. Let's see if we can get into it without ripping everything up. In an envelope, and I can use these envelopes in projects too. So this is like a vintage lady at a desk. I don't know if that's going to come through, if you can see that. So that's nice. It's a cling stamp. This is what the other side looks like. Okay, then should I just take everything out? Let's take everything out. Wow. Okay. So then we have washi. So this is like a vintage brown color. It looks like it's got flowers and postal stamping and script on it. So again, I don't know if that's going to come through because it does look like it has a bit of a shine to it. Let's see, I have a piece of paper that I was using for something else, so I can put it on here and maybe it can show a little better. So that's what the washi tape looks like. It's got that vintage vibe going on. Then we've got, what are these? Let's do all the envelopes first. So, oh, this is another cling stamp. Oh, two. So, I can't really see this one. Maybe I should stamp them. And then this one looks like postage, script, like that. And I will stamp them once I open everything up. So then here is another cling stamp. And it has numbers on here of what they are, I guess. I'm not sure. I love their little envelopes though. Then this is a quill and ink. So more desk. Is this one related to mail everything? I think maybe. If so, I think that may be the case. That is mail themed. Let's keep going. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, wow. So this is like a glass pen. Oh, wow. Okay, so I was looking on the website to see the specific name of this. I don't know the actual name, but I think it is a glass quill pen, maybe. You dip it in the ink and use it like that. I did recently buy myself a calligraphy pen set. So I do have ink to test that out with. So I will be doing that. Okay, then this is a little charm of an envelope. It's so tiny. Okay, and then let's see. This is what? A pigeon carrying the mail, maybe. These are stickers. They are the translucent stickers. Okay, and so yeah, I'm guessing this is all mail related. These are, let's see. It says note bar stickers, 50 pieces. So again, they've got that mail theme, and they're like little swatches, but they are stickers. They feel like washi a little bit, but no, they're just a nice sticker. I don't know what else to say about them. So I'm gonna have to make something specific with all of this. So let's go back in there. Then this, I think, is more stickers. This is so nice. Yes, more stickers, different shapes and sizes, all mail related, or office related. Maybe it's office theme. Office and mail. These are washi strips, postal stamps. Do I have this all upside down? Yep. So from different places, the postal stamps, and more mail related stickers. This one's from Egypt. Interesting. Okay, then let's see what this one is. This is tissue paper, I'm pretty sure. Kind of, or it could be a napkin. No, I think it's tissue. Let's take it out. Let's fold this over so we don't get caught on what's inside. Yeah, it's little tissue paper pieces. I'm not going to take them out all out, but that is what this is looking like. So you can see the design again, a vintage grunge look. The floral, the script, the postal marks. That's nice. So you get several sheets of that. All right, and then here we go. Let's see what this one is. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram, especially my Journal Life's Journey Instagram, I am starting to show the things that I'm working on. So if you want to see how I'm going to be using these things, I will be sharing that on Instagram. So you got some envelopes. Looks like a little stationery kit. Envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 different styles. Oh, let's look at the other side. So that's what they look like. So more vintage, kind of shabby chic vintage look. And then the papers to go with them. I like that. This will go with my Garden Blues papers really well. But so yeah, you get the papers that match the envelope. So a stationery kit. Then this backing piece. And then this is the last package. This one is more of the stationery, I think. Paper ephemera. So this is the envelope, style 1. Oh, I like this one. And then this one with the stripes. I really like that. Some inside there. And then you get the papers that go with. I didn't look at the back on this one. So it's, I think it's just white backing. So these are nice. And then this is the other paper. So yep, that is everything from the March box from Your Creative Studio. Their website is ycvstudio.com. They're also on Instagram at Your Creative Studio. Check them out. There are other boxes for different months available on the website. If you're doing journaling and things like that, these are great to incorporate into that. Let's stamp a little bit just to see what these are gonna look like. So we got 4 stamps. Let's use this Vintage Photo Archival ink. Let's just ink it up and see what the stamp looks like. Well, I slid that one a little bit, but that's what it looks like. Let's do these 2 real quick. I probably should have used my stamp platform for this, but these come out really nice. Look at that. And I am no good, I'm not very good at stamping at all. I rarely do it. So the fact that that came out clean and nice, it's the stamp, it's not me. Okay, I don't know which way this one goes because I can't really see the design, so I'm just going to place it any direction. Oh, I think I might have got it right. Let me see. What is that? It says something, it's another language, but it looks like something that says correspondence down at the bottom here. And I did stamp it in the right direction. So that's cool. So that is the stamping of the 4 stamps that came in the March kit. So here is everything again. Got to test this out too. Maybe we should do that real quick. Let's do it. So this is the kit that I got myself from Amazon, and I've only tested it once. I haven't actually used it. The reason I got it was because I wanted to write, make my own like old vintage looking letters. So yeah, that's why I got it. But let's see how this works. So I am a novice at all of this. I did do a little pen and ink when I was in school, but that was forever ago. So just dip it in the ink like so. And let's see. Okay, I didn't dip enough. That is so cool. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's running out. Craft. Let's try again. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so it's got little slots in here where the ink pulls in there, and I guess it drains down as you write. That's really cool. All right, so what, do you just wipe it off, wipe the ink off when you're done, or what happens to it? Let's see. I guess it's not gonna come completely off. I probably have to wash it, maybe. I don't know. That is so cool. Okay, so that is everything from Your Creative Studio. Again, check them out. And I think I'm supposed to like put something in here to pull the ink out and not take the stopper out. I don't know. Anywho, check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description box below. And yeah, see if there's any. You can use your pen on your stationery, or just use it in your journals, use it in your planner. Lots of options. All right, so make sure you follow me over on Journal Life's Journey, because I'm going to think of something to make with these envelopes specifically and incorporate some of the other items that we have here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.